I just saw a picture of a man that single-handedly made me quit acting without even knowing it. Wayeyedwa Nkosi yami engabambisene namuntu. He recently just trended. It wasn't like a big deal trending, but nje bekuyinto engatheni, it was like subtle trending. And ngithe mengisibona isithombe sakhe ngakhumbula ukuthi yindaba ngayeka into yoku-actor. Ayibo. And yazi bahle sibengibuza mhlawumbe mengikwama interview ukuthi awupheni waqala ngoku-actor kwenzakalani, mhlawumbe ngithi mina khona kodwa izizathu mhlawumbe engihlezi ngisisho sengikhumbulile ukuthi akusilona iqiniso lelo. That's not why I quit acting. That man was the reason why I quit acting. So let me tell you what happened 9 years ago. I think it was 2017. Yeah, 2017. 2017, 2018, if you've been on my page, you'll know ukuthi ngangithanda indaba yoku-act. Ngiyacela just nje ngamabomu ukuthi you've been on my page long enough and wakwangibona kulama stages la ngisafela koZalo, launching my acting career. I even went to school for acting. Ngiphinde ngibamba my workshops for attend my workshops oku-actor ko Durban Actors Studio, kusakhona Durban Actors Studio lapha ngaseShaka Marine. Kwaze kwaba khona i-competition, I think nge-lockdown kwathiwa silingisele uMangcobo esakuZalo. Mfethu nami ngayenza leyanto. Ngagcina sengiyibona sengikwi-set yoZalo phela kuthiwa mesifika laphana sibona ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani yabo behind the scenes. Ngathi Durban Jen, ngathi imbewu si-actor as ama-extra laphayana yabo. But mfethu ngangifuna kabi lento ye-acting, ngibambisene ne-radio ngala. So lwabhuti usekuwubaba nje manje sikhohlakala sekhehla lesana. So angazi nini kuphume i-poster yokuthi kunama auditions oku-actor and ama-judge akhona waseGoli and ama-actors aziwayo. I think kwakhona i-director phakathi, kube khona i-actor umuntu wesifazane naye-ke lo bhuti who is a big actor. Odlala nje kwenye ishow ya SABC2 engeke ngiyidalule kodwa ke esahluleka. Ngithe mengifike eGoli nganaka ukuthi si-KZN sihlulekile ukubiza lela gama. Futhi ngizoyidalula thina sasithi umvango kanti umbango. So anyway, mfethu like ngaphatheka kabi because lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka ngimhlonipha, but izinto indlela ezenzeka ngayo ngathi mengiphuma noma kwenzeka leyanto lwaphela nje mfethu uthando loku-actor lwaphela nya phindange ngazama. So what happened was kuphuma i-poster yokuthi kuzoba nama-auditions eThekwini, abantu abafisa ukungena into the acting industry abangene abasondele. So vele mina ngiya ngokuthi mfethu sengiyazi ukuthi ama-extra asebenza kanjani, ama-main characters asebenza kanjani, ngiyazi ukuthi sisifundwa kanjani i-script usitranslate kanjani. I know the little things that add on to your acting. You can act ngama-facials ungashongo lutho, ama-facial expressions, you can act ngokuphefumula yabo. So mfethu angimoshele lwababa. So kuphume lama audition, ngihamba nobhuti wami kuSanele umngani wami, my best friend from high school, who turned into my brother. Sisondela kakhulu because siyayithanda i-acting. Mfethu ngosuku lokuqala hayi nathi sigibeleke, manje mina ngiyahluleka ukuvuka. So sigcine siphume ngo7, mesifika laphana it was past 7, 7:45. Sitshela ukuthi sifike early kanti eyibuso landa umudu line. Sagcine singa-auditionanga ke ngosuku lokuqala, kodwa sagcine sifikile ngasesicabheni. So base beyasitshela ukuthi ngoba bese nila mase nifika ngakusasa ngicela ukuthi menifika nize ngaphambili yabo cause nini nigcinile. Sifike second day sifike ngabo past 6 still bese si late yabo. Ngasaba mfethu ukusho ukuthi phela ade ngila izolo kuthiwa yabo mfethu ngasama ke kulayini kwathi ngabo 4 sagcine sesifikile ke phambili. Samase sifika sebeyasho ukuthi you guys have been here all day. Sathi yebo, but anishongo ngani ngoba ngabe nilokhu njanile ni audition ekuqala ekuseni. Sathi siyaxolisa besisaba. So sa audition and they said you're through to the next round. We were excited. So kanti le QS kuyona izoshesha iphele. U-second round uqala vele sisakhona kwathi was audition. Za audition I think saphuma ngabo 8 sesigijimela ukuthi sikhave taxi ke manje ekhaya. MS audition ethiwa sifike futhi ngakusasa siqhubeke la sigcine khona hayi sifike siqhubeke la sigcine khona. Ama audition kashesha phela ngabo 2. Sithi sisetaxini hayibo ku WhatsApp wami because manje after the second round khona iphepha obunikwa lona. Leli phepha obunikwa lona bubhala igama isibongo uhlalaphi bengisahlala eMlazi uhlalaphi inamba yakhe ithini hayi ngishiye konke lokho yabo ayibo akuphelanga nesikhathi singakanani ngithola uWhatsApp mfethu kanti manje menguthola lo WhatsApp it is this actor guy and I was starstruck man. I was shocked. I'm like, did he just personally contact me? Yebo engitshengisa usanele ngithi sanele nabo bengithinta yabo mhlawumbe nawe sebezokuthinta but yabo khona lento engizwa ukuthi no but this is off yabo ngoba muya kwama audition yabo you don't get directly contacted by judge ucontactwa i-production yabo so ngitshela ukuthi since judge mhlawumbe khona nesikhundla thizeni asiphethe maybe it's part of production angazi but I'm just excited mfethu ngiyingane nje mina I'm excited ukuthi yazini yeah ngiyaphopa ke manje you know I'm like this is me kickstarting my acting career so athi hey Penny I hope you well siyaphila nathi baba ninjani naye siyaphila athi don't call me ubaba nguntanga wenu mina hayibo ngibe nalokho uthi hayibo untanga wethu kanjani lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka emdala ngaka yabo but you know ngiphume nje lapho because mina my focus is me securing that acting career you know this is my breakthrough so this is not the time for me to yabo ngiphendule snacks athi it was amazing seeing you know ngumuntu waseGoli but I've seen a lot of beautiful things here in KZN no I think babethi Natal I've seen a lot of beautiful things here go Natal you know ulwandle abantu base Natal the language the culture and you mina ngumuntu ke who can read the room mina ngeke ungidide ngingakutshela mengena endaweni uthi oh lo la kukanjani kukanjani manje I can read the room even kwama text ke mina eqala kudala lena athi ngithi mina and you ibuza ukuthi manje lo bhuti ufuna ngiphendule kanjani ngithi mina ngitwiste lento ngithi mina hopefully you're gonna see all that beauty on screen soon enough if this comes through or if this goes through yabo sengimbuyisela ekutheni I hope lo buhlobo bona la eNatal me ukuthi nami ngiyabaleka lapho I hope uzongibona nase screenini maduzana yabo phela nami ngiyamtshotha yabo phela make the right choice fethu izinto zami ikhaya athi uhlalaphi ngithi mina ngihlala eMlazi masethi number basibhukhele khona la ehotela elila so I think it was a Central Hotel I think wakusekhona Hilton yeah athi bambhukhele Hilton I think it's noma Southern Sun between those two kodwa he was by the beach because wangishutela isithombe ebuka ibeach ngithi mina that's very nice athi bangibhukhele la ngithi mina that's very nice engishutela ibeach yabo ase athi wathi lo baba kumina hopefully you'll make it to screen if you can make it to my room tonight ngafunda kwezami ukuthi la kuthiwa wozovula imlenze ukuze uthole lo msebenzi mfethu ngiseteksini ebuyile eMlazi yathi idlule eMega City ngafunga ngagomela ukuthi indaba yokuactor never again ayibo that's why nje mfethu lo baba wangibulalela iphupho lami lokuthi ngifuna ukuactor and ngabona ukuthi yabo imlenze yami ngiyivula la ngiyohlezi ngivula imlenze yami ukuze ngenze izinto noma ukuze izinto zami zenze ngashiya phansi and that's why I think kwangisiza kodwa that's why izinto zami ithe zathatha isikhathi eside ukuthi ikhanye noma ivuleke because I refuse ukuthi ngilale because the thing is masukhuluma nezingane nje osijwayele ukubizwa ezikoleni kuthiwa sambe sokhuluma nezingane masukhuluma nezingane zesikole ubatshela ukuthi wena ufike kanjani la khona uyothini so nje even with people coming in the industry abasha ngisho mina ngiyisengingekho kwi-acting industry but kulabo abangena kwi-industry muhlangana nomuntu othi kumele kwenziwe lento ukuze uthole lento shiya phansi kuzozanzakalela mekufanele kwenze kodwa lesasikhohlakali sekhehla.
Ngizokwenza ukuthi siyacela uma uqala ukungena kuleli khasi lethu Umgosi 2, cofa subscribe button le channel yethu ewunqa phambili njengomsakazi womgosi iy'ngane zakwethu. Ngithi-ke mina-ke nawe asihlangane kwi-comment section sizwe uvo lwakho ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba lukaPenny Ntuli. Ngane zakwethu-ke ngicela siphinde sihlangane kwenye ividiyo siniphathele lolu daba nezinye izindaba. Danko.